Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the Amazon Prime Video app is not working on your computer, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we need to do is to open the Amazon Prime Video app and change the region. This may be the reason why it's not working for you. So we'll go to Amazon Prime Video and we'll click on open. Now we'll change the region to whichever country you reside in, and then we'll sign in and it should work perfectly. But if it doesn't, then we will have to repair and reset the app. So for that, we will again look for Amazon Prime Video app, click on it, and then click on app settings. It should take you to the settings window, and then scroll down and click on repair till a tick mark is seen. And you can see the tick mark here. Then click on reset again, and wait for the tick mark. And then close this window and reopen the app. It will work, but if it doesn't, in the rare case it doesn't, then we need to reinstall the app. So for that, we will click on uninstall again, and we will go to the Windows Store and look for the Amazon Prime Video app for Windows, and we will click on get, and it should install by itself. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.